Hello all, welcome back to Meena Arts and Crafts. So today's video is all about journaling. So in this video, I would be giving a quick glance of how I made a journal using a simple notebook. So before heading to the process, let's see a few points about journaling. So basically, what is journaling, why journaling, what are the types of journaling, and how I made a simple journal using notebook. So, what is journaling? It's a simple way of expressing your thoughts, emotions, and stress. So, why do we need to journal? Basically, it gives a private place to write and reflect your thoughts, and it's a place where you can genuinely write your complete life story. And not only that, you can put all your happy, unhappy, all emotions in it. So, let's quickly see what are the types of journals we have. Gratitude, travel, food, garden, pregnancy, reading, workout, bullet, journal, whatnot. So let's begin 2021 with lots of gratitude. So to make this a simple DIY notebook journal, we require very minimal items as I'm showing. So here I have taken a simple plain notebook and I have picked a simple gift wrapper. Covering this notebook with this gift wrapper. So I'm using the lighter side on the top. So this is how it looks once we cover the book. It looks pretty decent. So let's begin our 2021 journal. Okay, let's quickly have a glance of how I planned. On the right side, I mentioned the 4 bubbles: career, health, finance, and self-care. And moving to the next page, books and podcasts which I'm planning for this year, things to learn, places to visit, any other. Quarterly review. So I feel it's really important to reflect back and see every 3 months how we are progressing. And now coming to the month of January, that is this month, it's all up to you how you can customize how you want to design it. And coming to the here, it's total month plan. At a glance you can see the whole month where you can note down important dates and birthdays of a special persons or any other. So coming to the quote of the month, which is really important to keep us motivating. And coming to the monthly goal plan, again here we have to look back to our main goals, and from there we have to divide them and have to start working on month-wise. And now here if you see, so we have every week goals: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So the first week, this is the second week, third week, 4th and 5th. So every month I've just kept 5 weeks. So now it's time to reflect on the monthly goals. So it's really important to reflect on how we are progressing this month. So let's list down few questions to ask ourselves how we are reflecting. So with this we complete for a complete 1 month, and the same repeats for all the other 11 months. So that's it. Thank you so much. If this video was helpful, please give a like, share it, and hit the subscribe button.